Position 3, A minor pentatonic. We started here in the first video. Then we moved up to here. And now we're here. So in this, excuse me. In this position, I have my root here on the D string of the 7th fret, and then I also have one down here on the 10th fret of the B string. So, like in the previous videos, within the scale there are, besides, your root note, here's my minor third once again, here's that C note. So from here, here's my 4th, 5th, there's my flat 7, here's my G note, and then back to my root. Moving into the 4th position. But anyways, this video is about our 3rd position, A minor pentatonic box, starting here on the 7th fret. And, there's several licks that I was doing. So that one there, I'm landing on my minor 3rd. I had another one that was, that's my root, my A, back to my minor 3rd. This is my minor 3rd as well down here, so this is. So a little twisty, but it's just the way that this particular pattern is set up in box 3. So I kind of like that little piece there. So, I'm going from 7th to 10, 7 to 10, but I also have that same shape up here. That's, my ambiguous G string slide. So the idea, is, the series is to link to use the A minor pentatonic boxes to build a framework or a skeleton, or a skeletal as I call it, outline of the fretboard. So here we are in box 3 in this video. So this scale is really good to accentuate that minor 3rd. I forgot to mention, I've always, other guitar teachers that I've worked with, but I've always heard of this, little spot here, starting on the 9th fret, with my root being here back on the B string of the 10th fret. That's my A note, as the House of Blues. And you can kind kind of see on the little scale diagram that it's roof side. Anyways, it's a nice little box to juice out. Another move I like to do from this third box back to the second box is, if this is my root, I'll do this kind of descending chromatic line above it on the, if I hold my root here, and then there's my A note here. So I'm kind of going through all of it. Flat fifth, major third, minor third. Anyways, have fun with that. Please hit the subscribe. I've got 2 more to go. I got position 4 starting up here. This is a fun box. It's got this little, what I call the stack. And here's my root here. And then this little spot here, here's my A note. And then here, this would be my C note, my minor third. But up here is my G note. That would be my flat 7. But you get this little speedy run.